I didn't buy the Segway Navimow X430 because I hate mowing. I bought it because I got tired of planning around mowing every weekend. The X430 is built for properties up to 1 acre. If you have a larger yard, the X450 is going to cover up to 1.5 acres. These are built for real properties, not just small suburban lawns. One of the biggest selling points for me was that there's no boundary wires to bury. These actually use RTK positioning, AI-assisted vision, and cameras to map around your yard. You're going to drive the perimeter once in the app, you're going to create your mowing zone, set a schedule, and it takes over from there. You can create multiple zones. You can set different schedules, different cutting heights, and no-go areas around landscaping, so your flower beds or anything else that you want as a no-go area. The mower will avoid it once you set it up in the app. One of the questions I get the most is, will it handle hills? Yes, absolutely. We've got some really steep ditches and slopes, and those were always the parts that I dreaded mowing. If you've ever driven a riding lawnmower across a hillside, you know you're paying attention the whole time. The X430 is rated for slopes up to an 80% grade, so now those areas are staying maintained without me climbing on a mower every weekend. For me, that was a huge safety issue, and I'm so glad that we have it. It also runs for close to 2 hours on a single charge. When that battery gets low, it's going to return to the charging station, recharge itself, and then pick up exactly where it stopped. If it starts raining, it heads back to the dock and it finishes up later. It's also much quieter than a riding mower, so the X430 can work while we're outside enjoying the yard. Now, one thing I didn't think about before buying the robot mower was the mental load. My sister actually has a neighbor whose husband travels for work, and they got a robot lawnmower because instead of paying for weekly lawn service or figuring out when she was going to have time to mow with the kids and everything else going on, they bought the robot lawnmower, and now the lawn is one less thing on the family's to-do list. Depending on what lawn service costs where you live, a mower like this can pay for itself a lot faster than people realize. With the quote that we got, our payback time would have been 2 months over paying for a lawn service. Maintenance has been really simple. I clean underneath once in a while, replace the blades when they wear out. It's really easy to hose off, and that's about it. Now I look outside and my lawn is already mowed. My weekends are not built around yard work anymore, and that's been my favorite part of owning the Segway Navimow. I was skeptical at first, but now it's an absolute recommend for me. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link down here on the video so you can.